Photographs or any other digital images are made of pixels, usually a lot of pixels. Like this image is 1920 into 1080 pixels by size. That means there is 2,073,000 pixels in this image, and they are mostly differently colored. This is the eyedropper tool. I is the shortcut to activate it. With this tool, you can click at any pixel and you can copy the color and it will be your foreground color. Click on it to view the color with more information. Like there is HSB, stands for hue, saturation and brightness. LAB is lab color space value. RGB for digital works like web and devices, stands for red, green, blue. And finally CMYK for printing colors. It stands for cyan, magenta, yellow and key for black. And you also get a unique digital color code tag for the specific color.